A lot of people ask me about learning the tables or the multiplication facts, so I'd just like to show you multi-spin. As the name implies, it's about multiplication, but if you're in a class, not every child has to learn exactly the same multiplication table. So once you know how to play one game of multi-spin, you can play the rest. So this one's called Multispin 2. So you spin the spinner and it come up at 7. So you'd say 2 7s are 14. Now you can choose which 14 because there's more than one on the board, and you would put your counter on there. So I normally have 2 different colour counters for 2 different players. Imagine I spin again and maybe I spun a 2, so 2 2s are 4, so that player will put their counter on 4. And it's really just a basic bingo type game. If you get 3 of your counters in a row, a column or a diagonal, you're a winner. Imagine this game's been going for a while and these players have got some bits on there and so forth. A rule that I really quite like playing with is called the bump off rule. And so that might be that if someone else, say the red player spins a 7, so you spin the 7, 2 7s are 14, you can actually take the yellow player's counter off and replace it with yours. So consider the bump off rule as an example of how you might reinvigorate the game. Well, once you can play multi-spin 2, it's pretty easy to play multi-spin 5 because all I'm doing is multiplying the spinner number by 5 and placing on there. Now I have other versions of multi-spin. There's multi-spin 9. So if someone needs to practice their 9 times table, just spin, multiply by 9, put the counter on there. So you can have a range of children playing the same game in the class. Some are playing multi-spin 2, some multi-spin 5, maybe others. And just for your benefit, we've put a computer version of multi-spin 2 and multi-spin 5 up on the web. You can just have a play of it.